Did you know, according to multiple studies, that day traders leave day trading within the first 2 years? Specifically, 80% of them leave. And it might surprise you, but the main reason why day traders leave and just stop trading is because the lack of risk management. But guys, I'm so glad you landed on this video because I am going to break down exactly how, as a beginner trader or an intermediate trader, that you can avoid this and essentially elongate your time here as a trader, okay? So, you know, your girl is a teacher, so I have to give you some vocab. Get your pen and paper out because you already know note takers are money makers. So let me define what risk management is before I go into the charts and show you a real-time example, okay? In trading, risk management is identifying a potential risk and mitigating that risk in your specific strategy. Y'all, literally what that means is make your losses smaller, right? Maximize the amount of money you're going to make. Secure your capital. A lot of us believe or may believe, and I'm glad to be the one to tell you this, that you're going to lose some trades. You're not going to win every trade. But the name of the game is to make your wins larger, your losses smaller. That is how you are going to be able to have longevity in this trading game. You're welcome. All right. So my friends, we're going to go into the charts right now and I'm going to show you real-time example of trades that I took and just pointing out to you where risk management helped and not following risk management hurts. Okay. But before I do that, guys, if you're looking for an awesome place to hang out and like-minded individuals and where I'm able to teach you much more things in regards to options trading just like this, check out the description box below. I have an awesome group of individuals that are so awesome and I'm ready to welcome you into the group, or you can go ahead and just text Discord to this number right here. All right. So let's go right into the charts. So we are going to go ahead and talk about risk management using a trade that I took on SPY. So let us replay and see where price has not given me an entry yet. Okay, I see what I like. And pause right here. All right, so here is my entry point right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put my stop loss right here. Okay. All right. So let's see how the trade goes. If it goes in my favor or if it doesn't. Okay. So on the next candle, it clearly goes in my favor, right? I'm in a call position. I'm nice and green, but then obviously this red candle comes after that initial green candle. But I'm fine because guess what? It did not hit my stop loss. I always tell you in all my videos, right, that it's essential to your trading success that not only you know how to enter, but you also know where to exit. Okay. So another thing I want to point out is my take profit is up here at 610.99. So that is where I am looking to take profit, right? And then I will let my runners run after that. Okay. So that's where my target is. Okay. That's where I want price action to go. So let's see what happens now, as it's a good trade so far, looking good. I want to point out here that this next candle, it looks like it touched my stop. And I teach my friends in my Discord that we have to respect our stop loss. But respecting means it needs to fully touch and close and pass for me to say it has broken my stop loss. So I'm still sitting in. I'm still in the trade. Okay, still in the trade, y'all. Still in the trade. And here is an official trigger of my stop loss. Closed out my position. And at this candle, this was a 15% loss for me. But I want y'all to know that is 15% is a manageable number to come from. Versus if you lose 40%, 50%, 90% of your money, that's a harder hit to come back from, right? So this is why risk management is so important. Of course, you want to win on your trades, guys, but if you lose, wouldn't it feel better to lose 15 versus 40, 50, 60% of your money? Because then guess what? You still have capital to trade in the next trade. Make sense? So I'm going to let this trade play out because I want y'all to learn this valuable lesson. So I am currently out of the trade. I am out of it. I am okay. I'm looking for another trade, but I want you to see what it does. Okay. So if you're still in this trade, right, in a call position, right, and still holding on and did not respect your stop loss, right, where it did trigger it, right here, now you're looking really, really crazy. And this is where you start to enact your hope position, where we say hope is not a position. It is not. There's no hope positions on the screen. Okay. So this is where you're hoping the trade goes back in your favor. You did not respect your stop loss. Your loss has increased significantly, and now you're hoping and praying on a whim. So let's see what the chart does. As As you can see, you made a green move, a move to the top, and we were in a call position. So look at this. Now it's like, whoa, the tides have changed. It's in my favor. Whoa, it's even, it touched my take profit. I did the right thing. So essentially, y'all, traders, beginner trader, intermediate trader, traders that have developed bad habits, do things like this. And I'm going to tell you right now, the market will take it back. Anyone that made money on this trade, right, and did not respect their stop loss will lose it on another trade. Because what stops this chart or price action from continuing to go in downward direction? What keeps it from that? And how do you know it's going to stop, right? You don't. You were hoping, you were praying, you were wishing, and it worked out in this favor. But I'm going to tell you, it's a bad habit to do things like this. So please take it from me. Respect your stop loss. It will save you so much heartache, and it will help you have longevity in the market. All right, y'all. So we are using a SPY from a different chart to show you a trade that I took. And I'm going to show you my entry point, my take profit, and my stop loss. All right. So this is my entry point here. So I went ahead and placed my stop loss below that here at 607.51. And I'm looking to take profit at 608.31. Okay. And I'll be entering into a call position. All right. So I am in the trade currently here and still waiting for it to hit my take profit. It did not hit that yet. So I'm still in the trade. Why am I still in the trade? It did not hit my take profit or it did not hit my stop loss. Okay. So this candle here, 956, kind of gave me a little heart palpitations. It did not fully trigger my stop loss. It didn't even really hit it. It looks very close, but it didn't. So I'm still in the trade and I want you to pay attention to when I do the playback, what happens going forward. Okay. All right. So we had a crazy candle and for obvious reasons, it hit my stop loss. The volume is crazy. The size of this candle is massive. But most importantly, guys, for me, it hit my stop loss. Okay. So what I want to point out to you here is that individual that had the bad habit from the previous trade would be what? In a hope position now, right? Hoping that, oh, maybe that was just a rogue candle. Maybe that was just a random candle. So let's see what hope gets you. Let's see what hope gets you. Let's see if it, hopefully it did not. It did not hopefully get, it got worse. It got worse. Never came back up. Never came up. Okay. I want you to see clearly, clear as day, that hope is not a position. Developing a bad habit in trading will hurt you in the long run. Cut your losses at your stop loss so you can live to trade another day. All right, y'all. So I wanted to show you all my real chat, my real Discord members, and showing you that we are actively using the strategy of minimizing our losses and maximizing our wins. Here's an awesome 70% win from a real person during real trading, and you can't ask for anything better than a 70% return. All right, y'all. So here's another one that shows you when you minimize your losses, you maximize your win. If you had sat in a trade that you weren't supposed to be in, right, and took a massive loss, not only is your capital lower, but also your confidence is lower. And you might miss out on trades like this. So guys, this is why in my Discord, I am very, very adamant on helping my friends learn that we are going to go ahead and take the setup that work in our strategy. We're going to respect our strategy and we are going to respect our stop loss because the trades are going to work in our favor when they're supposed to. And they're going to give us the returns that we know we're supposed to get. So something like this, 70%, 50%, 250%, is 100% possible if you have the capital, if you did not go ahead and make rash decisions or go against your rules and you got hurt. So it's not the market's fault. We have to look at ourselves and we have to make sure that we are practicing risk management. I hope this helps. Hey y'all, so I hope this video is very helpful. I wish I had seen something like this when I started out trading. That would have saved me so much heartache and loss of money. But guess what? You can use this video to help you as a beginner trader or intermediate trader to maybe stop whatever you're doing incorrectly right now, okay? So if you have not done yet, please give me a thumbs up for this video. You already know we're trying to get this video to 1,000 likes. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? I'm going to continue making videos like this. So you already like it here, so you might as well go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you want more information like this, make sure you go ahead and check out the description box below to join my Discord, okay guys? Or just simply text Discord to this. So guys, remember the rule of thumb: minimize your losses and maximize your wins, okay? Minimize your losses, maximize your wins. If you didn't know, your favorite teacher told you so.